Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Studies class. In previous class, we have discussed how the parts of Karnataka or parts of Kannada land were disintegrated since the age and how the Kannadigas struggled hard to get under one administration and one state, and also what was the condition or the problems faced by the Kannadigas in the alien rule. Also, we have seen the motivational steps taken by the fighters of integration movement and the inspiring steps or the inspiration done by the newspapers and many of the magazines, and many organizations also help the integration movement to take its shape. So today in this video, let us discuss how actually the integration movement was taken forward by the fighters as well as the organizations, and how it was successful enough to get the Karnataka state formed. So welcome back to the social studies classes once again. So in this class, in this video, we have to concentrate on post-independence integration movement. So integration movement was already had taken its shape before independence, but it was intensified. It took more intensity after the independence. So post-independence integration movement, we have to go through this in 3 steps here. We have to go through it in 3 steps, or the post-independence integration movement took in 3 stages. Stage 1, that is first stage 1947 to 48, second stage 1953, third stage, and we can call it as final stage 1956. So immediately after the independence, the first stage happened. Before independence in India, there were 2 types of administrative divisions or political divisions. First one was British provinces and second one was princely states. The Constituent Assembly after the independence, instead of forming the states on the language basis, it categorized them into 4 divisions, namely A, B, C and D. So based on A, B, C, D units, 20 administrative divisions of Karnataka were redistributed among Madras, Mysuru, Kodagu, Hyderabad and Bombay. So we can consider this was the first step towards integration movement. We can consider it as the first step towards the integration movement. And in the year 1951-52, the first universal elections for the parliament held in India. After the elections in the year 1952, there was a demand for the reorganizing the states on the based on the language. So in the year 1952, Akhanda Karnataka Rajya Nirmana Parishad was founded. In the year 1952, Akhanda Karnataka Rajya Nirmana Parishad was founded, and this organization arranged satyagrahas pressing upon the integration of Karnataka. Many of the protesters, more than 5,000 people were arrested, and Kangalla Hanumantaya and S. Nijalingappa, they toured throughout the areas of Kannada people and gave the speech in support of the integration movement. So this was the second stage. In the third stage, after the creation of Andhra Pradesh, demand for reorganizing the regions based on the languages grew more. So, after the creation of Andhra Pradesh, the demand for reorganizing the states based on the languages grew more. The central government formed a commission called State Reorganizing Commission, and S. Fazal Ali was its chairman. This commission presented its report in the year 1956. Hence, the formation of Vishala Mysuru Karnataka took place in the year 1956. We can say Vishala Mysuru state came into existence on 1st November 1956. So, Fazal Ali Commission, along with its members, it put forward a report, presented its report in the year 1956. Even though the central government accepted the report, state government or some of the state government leaders opposed its report, that is report of Fazal Ali Commission, because Kasaragod was not with Karnataka and some of the taluks of Ballari went into Andhra Pradesh. They have gone to Andhra Pradesh. But as the central government had accepted the Fazal Ali Commission and its report was brought into the force, and as a result, Vishala Mysuru state came into existence on 1st November 1956. S. Nijalingappa became the first chief minister of Vishala Mysuru state, and later on, when Devaraj Aras was the chief minister, he renamed it as Karnataka on 1st November 1973. This is how the formation of or integration of Karnataka was successful. The fighters or the people of Karnataka or Kannadigas were able to have their own administrative unit and their own state named as Karnataka by the year 1956, and later on it was renamed as Karnataka in the year 1973. But this reorganizing the states based on the language was not enough. Means it brought many problems to Karnataka and Kannadigas, especially those who were living on the borders. Because as the formation was based on the language, many Kannada spoken areas or Kannada speaking areas on the border, they were till today out of Karnataka. We can see Kasaragod of Kerala, Alur, Adavani, Rayagada of Andhra Pradesh, Hosur, Tawadi of Tamil Nadu, Chandgarh, Solapur, Akkalakote, and Jat of Maharashtra. Even though those they had Kannada speaking majority, but still they are out of Karnataka. So we have got border disputes mainly with Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. So this problem is a burning problem till today. To solve this, central government had appointed, central government formed one member commission under the leadership of Shri Mahajan, retired Supreme Court judge in the year 1965. The Mahajan Commission presented its report. According to the Mahajan Commission's report, Kasaragod of Kerala, Akkalakote and Jat of Maharashtra must be integrated to Karnataka, and Haldia, Khanapur, and Nippani of Karnataka must go to Maharashtra. But as Maharashtra was expecting more areas, also is expecting more areas, the problem is unsolved and it is still alive in front of the central